Hi, Michael the Mercedes guy here, and I've got 3 air tools that a lot of people aren't familiar with or even seen. One is a ratchet. This you can get down in engine compartments where you can't get a normal tool. This one is also a 3/8 drive, and this is a butterfly wrench. Real handy. You can zip out bolts way faster than this tool, or a hand ratchet, of course. Now, if you have rust, you want to treat it right. First off, you want to clean off all the scalings. And this is a descaler. And when you turn it on, there's actually a disc inside where all of these metal rods go into, and that disc rotates around like that. So it changes the distance. So you can really, you could take 2 days cleaning rust off of your floor. This you can do it in an hour. Very rapid. Now, something else, these things get rounded off. So one at a time on your grinder, get them back to a nice flat surface. It'll do a better job. And a handy accessory is an air tank for compressed air. And this is actually made for air. It's thin-walled. Go to your hardware store, and you want to get a T-fitting, so you can put a gauge in, a Schrader fitting, and a little valve, and then your barb fitting for your hose, and plumb in your female, and of course you want this to be the same as all your tools. There's about 4 types of these, so you got to have the exact one. Now, when I fill this up, I've got a locking fitting here, and I actually have it at a 45 because you can get into some tires at a better angle. So I got air in there, obviously, but I chuck this into my air hose and lock it on and fill it to the pressure I have, which is 110 pounds.